लंदन में मशहूर ऑक्शन हाउस क्रिस्टी की नीलामी में लोगों को हिंदुस्तान की धरोहरों को देखने का नया मौका मिलेगा। इस प्रदर्शनी के दौरान बादशाह शाहजहां के दौर की लिखी एक दुर्लभ मैन्युस्क्रिप्ट भी है जो लोगों का ध्यान खींचेगी। मुगल दरबार की कुछ और दुर्लभ और अनोखी मैन्युस्क्रिप्ट भी लोगों को देखने को मिलेंगी। इसके अलावा कई बेशकीमती कालीन, गलीचे भी यहाँ लाए गए हैं। हैरान करने वाली बात तो यह है कि हैम्बर्ग में रहने वाले एक आर्ट कलेक्टर की बंद अलमारियों से इन बेशकीमती सामानों को निकाला गया है। इतिहास की इस धरोहर के बारे में हमारी लंदन संवाददाता लवीना टंडन ने ऑक्शन हाउस क्रिस्टी की इस्लामिक और इंडिपेंडेंट डिपार्टमेंट की विशेषज्ञ सारा प्लम्बलाई से बात की।
मैं हूँ क्रिस्टीज लंदन में, जहाँ पे आर्ट ऑफ इस्लामिक एंड इंडियन वर्ल्ड्स की एग्जीबिशन और सेल का हफ्ता चल रहा है और बहुत ही बेशकीमती चीज़ें यहाँ मौजूद हैं। और इस सेल के बारे में और एग्जीबिशन के बारे में बताने के लिए हमारे साथ हैं सारा प्लमली, जो हेड ऑफ इस्लामिक एंड इंडियन आर्ट हैं, डिपार्टमेंट की हेड हैं क्रिस्टीज में। वेलकम सारा। मैं इनसे अंग्रेजी में बात करूँगी। Very welcome and thank you for having us and showing us through. Tell me about this exhibition, how it is important and how what sort of market exists for you to have such a week-long sale.
So next week is Islamic Art Week here in London, and at Christie's we have a number of sales that showcase works from across the Islamic world and India. So we're talking about pieces from Spain as in the west to China in the east. There's things at all price levels, from £1,000 to £500,000. So something that's affordable to many people. The market is quite strong and quite wide. There are collectors from across the world interested in our field, both museums, private collectors, all sorts of people are interested.
Okay, so from the world of Indian art, as you have called it as well, what are the most exquisite pieces that you would like to tell us about?
Well, some of the pieces here in this room, this for example is a page from a Mughal album that was commissioned in the 17th century, probably for one of the emperors, either Jahangir or Shah Jahan. They were fascinated, Jahangir and Shah Jahan in particular, with the natural world, and they would commission their court artists to produce a number of very lifelike reproductions of plants and animals, as you see here in the margins of this calligraphic folio. It comes from an album, which was the preferred way in the Mughal courts for collecting works on paper. A ruler would collect his favourite calligraphies and miniatures into a book and have margins that were harmonious commissioned to surround every page, to make it into sort of one larger work of art.
Okay, brilliant. Thank you very much, Sarah, for all the lovely information that you have given me and made me, it's quite sort of matches this.
I'm sure it would fit.
Sarah telling us that there are quite a lot of exquisite pieces from the Indian and the Islamic art world, but there are also quite affordable pieces, and this is where the exhibition and sale is going as well, to make this accessible, and also not only accessible physically here but encourage online sales. Lavina Tandon for Aaj Tak from London.